my favorite Amazon products for nails, and then some regret, and then things I would maybe try again or maybe buy again.
Let's show you how I pick it up. So you drag it forward, 1, 2, 3. So the reason you need this is because you really need to clean the cuticle area properly.
If you guys are interested in preventing nail allergies,
something I recommend you buy.
Hi everyone, so today we're going to be doing a fill on the hands. I'm going to be sharing with you guys my favorite Amazon products for nails, and then some regret, and then things I would maybe try again or maybe buy again. All right, so if you're interested to see what a nail tech that's been licensed for over a decade would recommend and not recommend and maybes, keep on watching.
So the first thing we're going to do is push back the skin. I'm going to take a cuticle pusher and push back. There's some designs there, so just be gentle and do your best while they're still there. Or you could just take off the design first. Taking off even this makes it easier instead of filing it, because I did it right on top of the gloss. Oh, look at that. It's even better than doing it under the gloss. Okay. This thing is, I don't even remember where I got this one, but I can't really use this to cut cuticle because I could hurt somebody because now they're not too sharp. Okay, so we took off the designs, the bling, right? Cool. Now we could push back if we didn't push back first. This is the Pan Up 5-in-1 bit. So this is an Amazon must that I love. So this is something I recommend you buy, and I always rebuy this because you can use this to shave off product, and you can also use this to shave down the nail and like finish file when you're done with your application. All right, so let's turn this little puppy on. Dust collector here. There's a lot of hard gel right here because we added the design. So let's make sure we remove that. Got a little lifting here. You can start removing it too at the same time. It's a good bit for that. Like I said, this is the Pan Up 5-in-1 bit. I'm going little by little to get rid of that lifting here. Alright, I'm dusting that off. This bit that I just recently got off Amazon. And I had another one. This one I think is, I want to say by Macart, and I would say buy this. This is really good. I recommend. Oh, and the drill too. The drill is really good for beginners. It's a really good price too to start. If you want to become a pro later, I would suggest like a Koopa or something like that. Some like maybe a Young Nails drill. This is a flame bit. I also, like I said, I recommend. The flame bit is going to be for your cuticle area. So the reason you need this is because you really need to clean the cuticle area properly. I feel like it feels weird going from right to left. So let's try a left to right. This is my second time doing it before I set, because last time I did this hadn't come in. So I was like, let me see when it comes. So what I'm going to do is brush this off. Let's see what's going on. Is it working or not? Because from the day I tried it, I did try it. It did feel like it wasn't helping. To put it into reverse, I mean. Let's see. Is it on camera? There we go. Okay, so I'm pull the skin back here and go that way. I'll go slow and try to go parallel to the nail underneath the folds. Okay, and then we're gonna go the opposite way. So I would say this is a maybe. Okay, so we'll keep trying it, but hopefully it doesn't damage us too much. So let's go ahead and spray this. Okay, so far that's what that looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and just start getting rid of that lifting. I'm gonna show you what I do. So when I see a little pocket of air, which would be the lifting, I try to go underneath it with the nipper. If I have to do more filing, then I will. This one had a very small amount. Not really any much. You can see it literally. Oh shoot, I'm off camera. So here we got more, and you can get rid of it by using a nipper. One that you don't care about, again, like I said. Okay, so I ended up taking that much off that one. I'm gonna spray the nail so we could reveal whatever we have under there. Did we do a decent job? Let's see. Now you could take a cuticle nipper and see if there is anything you want to get rid of. So let's see. Just a little bit here is what I see. I feel like I should have nipped it before filing it. I totally forgot. But either way, I'm just getting rid of whatever excess skin there is that we do not need under our product. Right, this one looks decent. I'll clean it one more time. Make sure after doing that. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add the primer. Adding my favorite Young Nails primer. Non-acid, works like a double tape. In my opinion, I don't think anybody should be using acid for their natural nail bed. And don't oversaturate the nail when you're doing this part, because you got to do it twice anyway. Second layer. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna add the Cover Pink I had last time. Get my monomer from Young Nails. Alrighty, so I found the brush. Oh my god, it was making me set a little bit. Like I just don't, I love this brush. I think this is a CND brush or an OPI brush. I think it's CND though. And I've had this for years. I don't even know how many years. I've had this forever. And it's just easy to clean. Like it doesn't get, if it ever gets messed up, it gets easily like fixed. The bristles, I don't know, it's just amazing. Just show you how I pick it up. So you drag it forward, 1, 2, 3, pick it up. Release some of that speed. You see it start polymerizing there. You want to place it right there in the middle, above, but not touching the cuticle. And then clean your brush. You're going to dip in the liquid, release some. Helps drag out the bead. Push it towards the sides and then bring it down. Like feather it down. I feel like the air, oh my god, the air is irritating me right now. It's like heating this up too fast. But now we know something's going on with the air, so I gotta work a little different. Or I can change the air, which I don't feel like doing. Add another bead here to fill it in better. Whatever is missing off the sides. And then clean off the brush as many times. Stay in and off the skin as much as possible. Okay, I'm gonna grab one more little bead because there's some product missing here. And there's some right here. Looks like a little ball, right? Okay, so then you're gonna push that ball up. Tuck it in under and bring it down. Because if not, we're having problems. You know what I'm saying? Just make sure, it doesn't matter if you have to do multiple beads. Fill that in. There we go. We touched the skin. That's bad. So clean it up. That's the important part. You clean it up and avoid all skin contact. Okay. Now we're gonna do the rest. Shake this. Show you how I pick it up. I think that bead's good. No, actually, let's release some liquid. Place it right there. Pushing it up and underneath the skin. I'll do another. Because we do have some clear because of capping the glitter. But I'm going to show you what I'm going to do today. Last time I put the glitter first and then the pink, and this time I'm putting pink and then the glitter because last time I felt like the glitter was covered too much by the pink. Okay, so I think I'm gonna take some crazy top, all of the stuff for gems as well as chrome. Melody Susie brush. With the opposite side, I can put just a tiny amount, pick up everything.
So my glass was half empty, but you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. My glass was always half empty, but now you're in my life. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. Even after all of these years, you still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. You could never wear me out. We have come all this way, love, so I don't see us stopping now. My life's an adventure, 'cause you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. Now my life's an adventure, and you're the reason why. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. Even after all of these years, you still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out.
I'm gonna grab my Coupa top coat and we're going to top coat the nails. Look how pretty already. Oh my god, if these were mattified like that, that's so nice. I'm gonna like flash cure that done really quick. I feel like I should go over the gold ones and the pearls. Everything but the little stones if I can. Ooh, look at that. Finished. I'm gonna get some cuticle oil, wherever that is. So pretty. Love that I did this glitter again. Gonna have to switch it up next time. I recently showed you guys a big Amazon nail haul, and this lamp was in it, and I actually really like it. It's 95 watts. So it's really, really good. Oh, I'm sorry, it's 96 watts. So it's really, really good. We were talking about this in the other video. And this is the final set. I may do almond next time. I have to do this hand off camera probably tomorrow. So they both should be done tomorrow. I really, really love this. What do you guys think? A little bit of a beachy vibe. Okay, so this is the hand I did yesterday. And it's like a little beach vibe, sparkly. I just refilled the glitter. And then this is what I did today. So this is the other hand that I did today that I got to finish. These came out really nice. I like them. We'll see what we do next time. Probably an almond set.
Also, if you guys are interested in preventing nail allergies, go ahead and check out my nail allergy survival guide in the description down below.